Holy crap. Holy. Oh my god. Holy crap. That is so much rain. That is so much rain. Oh my god. Look at, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Look at this. I didn't know I didn't know I was gonna be expecting that much. Oh my god, look. You can tell. Look, everything is here. Nothing. Oh my god. It is just pouring. Look at that. I never seen that before. Oh my god. You can easily get so wet if you're out there. Nobody's out there. Look at that. It's so, whoa. Yeah, I'll probably stay back. Lightning. Look through there. You could see there. There's like, you can't even see nothing. Poor my little mummies. Look, they're not even hiding there because literally wind is blowing and plus it's too wet. They're probably hiding in some people's screen doors. Oh crap, it just got worse. They're out there? Jesus. Oh my god. It just got worse. I'm gonna go look. Because it's so bad out there. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my. What? Jeez, could you look at that? Oh my god.
Buddy, look! Look at the stairs!
Oh, the stairs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. What? Okay. Let you go close the back door out in there. Oh my god. My subscribers are gonna love this.
They're gonna love the crazy.
Jesus, that's so much water.
I'm sorry, it's slowing down already.
Yeah, I will. But it's not over there. Look at that. The stairs are flooded.
It really is.
No, I mean, look at that. The stairs are flooded. Looks like nobody's out. This is so much rain. I feel bad about him. I feel bad about my best friend. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, it's blowing. See that? Security camera right there. Wow. Oh, wow. Yep. Some mobs are hiding here. Oh. Blood. Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna expect to be this much. Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. Oh, Benji, I didn't expect it's gonna be this dangerous. Oh. Jesus! Jesus, that's flooded. Everything is flooded. Look. everything. This is so freaked. I gotta dry my. Oh my God, Veggie, it's overflowing. Whoa. They got canes. Looks like Ryder's family is going home now. Ho ho ho. Let me get a shot right there. Look at that. Oh my God. That rock field is flooded. It's not even a little bit. That's flooded. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Eddie, I can't even believe this. This is so much. Oh. It is so cold. Ooh, there's a security camera still. Like I already showed it to you. Probably. Yeah. Let's see it. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, back there's not that bad. Right, or did you saw that? Man. Look at that. Let's drop my phone. When we go over here, you can take a closer look. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that mess. Let me get a toot to the wall. Yeah. Oh, the rain just got heavier. Look at that crap. Oh! Everything is flooded. Everything. Not even just once. Everything is flooded. Oh! Holy crap! Holy crap! Is that a little dino nuggie? We'll just go cook out. You see? Alright. Whoa. Alright, let's look back here. That is just so much water. Now look. We can't even see any mountain. Because last time when we had a huge thunderstorm, I'm pretty sure the park is gonna be flooded because literally the last time the park was flooded to death. So yeah. So probably a couple minutes when we go back out, probably if the storms come out, probably I don't think we're gonna go on the road anymore. Probably the sidewalks. You guys could look at that road. But we could have some kind of fun. Cause look at that. Look at that. That is not fake. That is water all over the place. Oh, rain just did. No, look at this. Look at it. Easily have fun out there. Oh, the cops. Look at me, I'm all wet. We're gonna stop a little bit. Hey, Mommy, I'm here. That is a lot of rain.
Isn't it tons and tons?
No, it just never ends.
Yeah, it's still just pouring.
Yeah.
Bunch of boys in there by Grandma's mirror.
God, you're kidding me, I'm filming still. I'm good. No,
I gotta walk Sonic Prime again.
oh, that was so close. Alright, well, I'm gonna go use the bathroom really quick.